Now getting you some updates from the poll-bound state of Punjab, where the Congress party has announced the candidate list for 86 seats in Punjab. Navjot Singh Sidhu is all set to contest from the Amritsar East constituency, and incumbent Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi is all set to contest from the Chamkur Sahib constituency as well. Now, the controversial singer Sidhu Moosewala has also been given a ticket, and he will be contesting from the Mansa constituency. For breaking down this details, I'm being joined by my colleague Gursimran, who is joining us on the broadcast. Gursimran, break this down for our viewers with respect to the list that has now been announced by the Congress. How strategic is these constituencies that have been announced with respect to the Chief Minister and Navjot Singh Sidhu as well?
See, Priyanka, this is really very important as the Congress has announced ticket for the 86 seats, and these were some of the controversial seats where the Congress leaders themselves were locking horns. We saw what happened a day before yesterday in the meeting called by Sonia Gandhi, in which it was all in open when Navjot Singh Sidhu, Sunil Jakhar and Channi were against each other. Now some of the important tickets that have been given is first Channi is going to fight from the Chamkur Sahib. Earlier it was expected that maybe he can contest from the other seats, but he is fighting from Chamkur Sahib. Navjot Singh Sidhu from Amritsar East. Important seat that has been given is the seat of Kadia, where Pratap Bajwa has been given the ticket. His brother Fateh Jang Bajwa has joined BJP recently, and it is expected that it will be a contest between two brothers, the Bajwa brothers in Kadia. Apart from that, Sukhpal Khera, who is under custody in a case linked to some of the assets, undeclared asset, he has been arrested by the Enforcement Directorate earlier. He has been given ticket from the Baloth. Sister of actor Sonu Sood, Malvika Sood, has been given a ticket by the Congress party from the Moga constituency. It's the same constituency where the sitting MLA of the Congress, Dr. Harjot Kamal, has been denied ticket, and since after that he has called meeting of his supporters. He is likely to announce his next move because he has been pretty vocal that if denied ticket he will be contesting election independently. Apart from that, singer Sidhu Moosewala has been given ticket from the Mansa, where the Youth Congress leader Jaspinder was demanding ticket, but he was denied ticket. The Punjab chief of the Youth Congress, Barinder Dhillon, has been given Barinder has been given ticket from the Roopnagar constituency. And apart from that, the key tickets that have been given is that Mohit Mohindra will be contesting from the Patiala constituency, the constituency his father Brahm Mahindra, who's a sitting cabinet minister, represents. Now his son Mohit Mohindra will be contesting from there, as we are told that Brahm Mahindra has said that he won't be contesting this time, so his son has been given ticket. Sandeep Jakhar has to be given the ticket because Sunil Jakhar was not, we are told that he didn't want to contest the election, so his nephew has been given ticket from Abohar. So these are some of the important tickets that have been given. From Bathinda, Manpreet Badal will be contesting, and from Raja Vading, he too will be contesting from his seat from where he is representing at present. Gidarbaha is the seat. So this is how some of the important names have been fielded by the Congress party. Almost all the cabinet ministers except Brahm Mahindra have been given ticket. We are told Brahm Mahindra has demanded ticket for his son Mohit Mohindra, and he has been given ticket. But now we have to see how actually things pan out from now, because it is now the testing time for the Congress, because those who have been denied ticket, they will be looking forward to contest election. Will they be moving to the Bharatiya Janata Party? Will they be moving to Punjab Lok Congress? Because Captain Amrinder Singh is there, and there are many leaders of the Congress party, almost all the leaders. They were in close cordial relation with Amrinder Singh before he was ousted as the chief minister. And now what will happen has to be seen. But yes, 86 candidates have been announced. Chamkur Sahib will be the seat for Charanjit Singh Channi, and Amritsar East for Navjot Singh Sidhu. Yes, Priyanka.
Gursimran, very important details that you're breaking down with respect to the Congress list that has now been announced. But isn't it true that the Congress is also fighting a war on both fronts with respect to an internal fight in the party as well, with respect to Captain Amrinder Singh's quitting the party, and now there being another vacuum for the Patiala area, in fact, and the constituencies around it as well, with respect to Captain Amrinder Singh and other contestants that have now been announced. What more are you picking up with respect to these candidates? Are they all happy, or will there be some kind of an appeal that will also be made?
See, Priyanka, that was what I was saying, that the real challenge for the Congress starts now, because earlier it was two people demanding ticket, but now one has been given ticket and another has been denied ticket. Now they will be looking for the alternatives that is seriously going to haunt Congress in a big way. When it comes to the constituency of Moga, where Malvika Sood has been given, Dr. Harjot Kanwal is all up in arms against the Congress party now. He has called the meeting of his supporters. He will decide what way to go for. He has earlier made it very clear that if denied ticket, I will go independent but will contest election. Second is of the seat of Sidhu Moosewala, the seat of the Mansa, from where Sidhu Moosewala has been given ticket. But from there, the sitting MLA is also against him. The Youth Congress leader Jaspinder is also against him, and we have seen him giving statements against Navjot Singh Sidhu. He even demanded dope test of Sidhu Moosewala. So this is the politics that is going to haunt Congress. Even some of the seats where Rana Gurjeet KP has been given ticket, he was demanding ticket in other seats. There have been n number of issues which Congress now has to face since 86 candidates have been announced. There are 10 to 12 powerful leaders, 12 to powerful elected representatives who have been against the party, but now their resentment will be open, and it has to be seen how Navjot Singh Sidhu, Charanjit Singh Channi and Sunil Jhakad, who are all at the helm of affairs, will go with this, with the resentment against party, which the Congress at least cannot afford for now. Because if Congress comes to this kind of infighting, it will certainly going to help Aam Aadmi Party, Badal's, Captain Amrinder Singh's Punjab Lok Congress, and even Bharatiya Janata Party. Priyanka.